You don't have a green thumb.
I do not.
So why are...
I definitely don't.
And I don't either. So why are you looking to buy another plant?
So today I think we should do the show on people doing plants.
Affordable gardening.
Yeah, affordable. But I mean, it's so easy to do. You can get like those plants that are already in baskets.
Yeah.
And you just stick it in your pot.
Yep.
Take the basket part out, stick some soil in there, and just get like a
You're
spike
good to
kind
go.
of thing. And it's really easy and
Easy
that's the only
peasy.
way I go.
That's the way
I
we want to
honestly
go.
Do not.
Yeah.
Horrible.
No.
Planting. Horrible.
So, I mean, like, but buying a house plant right now is not the thing you should be doing.
No. I mean, but right now it's still a little bit limited selection because everything's still growing
Yeah.
and everything. But let's look around here. And
Everything's
see if
still
we can.
cultivating.
Well, yeah, it's just, at its beginning stages. I mean, we really should be planting right now,
Yeah.
quite honestly. I think it's like after, Mother's Day or something?
Yeah, and
So
it's
you
already...
It's not Mother's Day yet.
No.
The middle of May is
It
Mother's
probably
Day.
will be when you're watching this, but right now it's the middle of April, and we're finding limited selections of affordable plants.
We've been to 3 different places, so
We have.
We'll find
We
something
tried.
now. We'll find
And
something.
we will definitely be keeping you posted because we're going to do this live on our show. We're going to be on location planting.
Yes,
Yay! We got our plants, and Kathy wants to explain what she's doing. I am all about this grass, and you'll see that this will bloom up in the summertime and just get nice and
Put it
robust.
right in the middle of the plant.
Yeah, in the
Right.
middle. And so you're going to take this
Well, that's
hibiscus.
what I always do. So, like, if I buy a plant like this down here, see, it's already in the pot.
Yeah.
What I'll do is just literally just put it in my flower pot
Yeah.
in front of my house.
And then you can
and then I would
throw
stick
some
some
of
of
these-
tall pieces in the middle, and it just makes an amazing piece.
It explodes.
And you can also do that like with the hydrangeas here too. It's very easy to do. You just put the potting soil in the pot,
Yeah.
the hydrangeas, and then lots of times too what I do is, see like this hanging plant here? Look how cool this is.
That is stunning.
Yeah, but this hanging plant, it could be a hanging plant, or again, you can figure out a way to put it in like some sort of pot, depending on what kind of shape it is. And it just has all your beautiful different colors.
And
in it.
the, don't set it on top of the, what are those things called? Hydrangeas?
Yes.
Or, yeah. See, we just don't, this is about not knowing what you're doing, but yet you can still do it on a budget. And we're going to
And
give
we're
you,
learning
and we're
the
learning
names
the
of
names of the plants. So we're not all like, yeah, and she's dropping a few things. Whoops. But if you hear a whoops, you know we got an issue.
And obviously, they just watered the plant, so I'm all wet.
That's okay. It is a little muggy back here, but it's all good.
all
This
good.
is what we love.
I might be wearing a ponytail later. My hair is like starting to present here.
I'll put myself in a
But you know what
ponytail.
the other thing is the plants that are down here. See, the hanging ones. Show the hanging ones.
Yes.
Up here.
Oh, yes, up there.
Now,
Yes.
See, these hanging ones is usually what I would do to put in a pot. See these hanging ones right here? They're multicolors. But right now it's still a little early in the season, so usually they're like big and they hang over.
Yeah, they'll be falling over.
Falling over, and it's beautiful. But they're a little small right now, and we could probably use them. But I don't think I'm going to this time.
Yeah.
We usually could put those also in a pot. Just take the pot out, stick it in dirt, and you have this amazing overflowing of flowers. And then you just, stick a couple of these in the middle, and it just looks spectacular. So, just easy, simple, keep your life easy. I mean, if you're a true gardener, knock your socks off. I totally embrace and love
We love
everything
you.
you do. I mean, I wish I had that green thumb. I just don't. But if you don't have a green thumb, this is an easy way to do it. If I could do it, truly. If we could do it, anybody could do it.
Two people.
2 peas in a pot. and
We
you'll
we
see
can't even
later.
grow cactus.
Yes, exactly.